I enjoy the little challenges of each job. My day can start from a standard service on a machine to pulling components completely apart and rebuilding them piece by piece. My name is Jacobus, and I'm a heavy diesel technician. I started working on a farm. I quite enjoyed operating the machinery, and on the off seasons, we basically did maintenance ourselves. That inspired me to become a technician, and I went and did my apprenticeship. 4 years later, I got qualified, and I've been doing it ever since.
I got involved in the ag industry through work experience through school. I did a workplace learning placement when I was in high school, and pretty much fell in love with it from there.
I know some agricultural schools, you can do sort of like a pre-apprenticeship in order to get into this. There's upskill pathways as well. For instance, if you're a light vehicle mechanic, you could upskill and become a heavy diesel technician. When I get in the mornings, we have a toolbox meeting, and then from there we decide who does what.
Predominantly my time spent out on the road, on sites with different customers, repairing their machines or servicing whatever is required.
You need to think outside the box. Sometimes you can't just rely on instructions being printed out for you step by step.
The big one would be punctuality. Customers don't like when you're late.
Sometimes dealing with customers, their entire life depends on that machine operating.
The technology in our industry is constantly changing and constantly improving. The biggest tool I use is a laptop. Pretty much every machine I go to, I have to connect the laptop to check fault codes or calibrate things on the machine.
The area is growing rapidly. There's always high demand for technicians because obviously with new machines, at some point you're going to have breakdowns. Breakdowns means we need people to repair them.